Let me guess, that house you bought in 2019 is feeling really small now, isn't it? You were just married, wanted to get out of the city, found yourself in Reading. Now you have a couple of kids. Now you're both working from home. And I know you refinanced when the rates dropped. We all did. Now you're wondering, how do I do it? How do I sell this house and move on to the next one? And how am I going to find that house that's going to make sense for me to leave this great interest rate behind? How am I going to do it? What are the steps? Can I buy and sell at the same time? What if I need to use that equity in my current home to buy the next? I may need a sales contingency. Can I even get an offer accepted with a sales contingency? There are so many moving parts when it comes time to buy and sell. Let me tell you something. I've done it a few times. My clients have done it. They've done it a few times. We do it every single day. You don't. That's why I'm here to help you with that process. But the biggest piece is making sure that you're educated and making sure that you're prepared. You can do it. Your house isn't getting any bigger. Your kids are. Your kids have everywhere, and they will continue to have everywhere, especially as they get older, because now all their friends come over and they bring all their. You are ready for that next house. You deserve it. You've worked hard. You have an incredible amount of equity in your home right now. You just don't know where to start. I'm here to help you. You'd be surprised and you'll be saying, why didn't I do this sooner?